Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Berlin. Berlin, the capital of Germany, which is very much popular for its history. But in today's video, I will take you to some of the exciting places I have been throughout my stay here. Hope you all will like it. So without further ado, let's start our video. So starting off with the historic spots, so let's head towards our first destination, which is Brandenburg Gate. Is an 18th century monument in Berlin. It is one of the best known landmarks of Germany. It is located in the western part of the city center. Throughout its existence, the Brandenburg Gate was often a site of major historical events and is today considered not only as a symbol of tumultuous histories of Germany and Europe, but also as a European unity and peace. Let's head towards our next destination, which is Berlin Cathedral. Located in the Museum Island, the Protestant Berlin Cathedral happens to be one of the major Berlin attractions. It is one of the most oldest architectural structure. It was first built as a parish church in the year 1465 on the bank of River Spree. This old building has seen the rise and fall of many empires. Berlin never fails to impress me. Just look over here how both old and new architecture of Berlin is visible. So heading towards the next location, which is my personal favorite, is Alexanderplatz. I have been to this place so many times. So here in Alexanderplatz, you are going to find the famous TV tower. The 365-meter tall TV tower is very popular here in Berlin. The TV tower is visible from almost all the corners of Berlin. Not only the TV tower, but you are going to find many talented people showcasing their talent, and I totally enjoy my hot cup of coffee or any drink listening to this fun music. Now moving towards the wall, the Berlin Wall. For nearly 30 years, Berlin was divided not just by ideology, but by a concrete barrier that snaked through the city, serving as an ugly symbol of the Cold War. Yes, if you are in Berlin, you can't miss the chance to walk through the history. So after getting sad by recalling the history, now it's time to go to a fun place, which is POTSDAMER Platz. Mostly in European countries, we get to see old architectured buildings. So in Berlin, if you want to see some modern high-rise building, you have to go to POTSDAMER Platz. In POTSDAMER Platz, you're also going to find a very interesting thing, which is called the Sony Center. And if you are planning to go there, make sure that you visit the place during the night so that you don't miss the lighting. If in Berlin, how can one miss the chance to go for a free walking tour? And you will find ample and ample of free walking tour taking place each and every day. Yes, so we went to one alternative Berlin tour. Through the walking tour, we get to know so many interesting facts about the places and how each and every place has a unique story to tell. So if you're in Berlin, you should definitely go for the walking tour. Berlin has long been a global capital of street art. Everywhere you go, you will see the creative work done on the street. So yes, in our alternative tour, we were taken to some of the places where we could see the creative artworks. And then we were taken to a church. Then they took us to many interesting places and they showed us some important spots as well. After the free walking tour, we also went to a concert which was also free. So if you're a music lover, you can definitely explore them. And there are various events taking place each and every night in Berlin. So you can find any of them and just crash and you will have a gala time. I was really not expecting this concert to be so fancy, and the singers were just amazing. We also went to Dark Matter, which is a light show, and there is also a bar, so this is the perfect place to chill. If you're like me who loves to dance and love loud music, so this place is perfect for you. So Berlin has a very chill and a cool vibe. To enjoy that, you should go to CHARLE'S beach bar. You're going to find varieties of food with drinks and a place to play and have a gala time with your friends. It is also a sand bar. If you want to explore the German culture or the food, you can definitely go to some popular German restaurant like this one. So this is a very popular German restaurant where they serve the authentic German food and some great beers with some amazing music, and the vibe of the place was amazing. So yes, we had a great time here. So guys, if you get rejected from the clubs, don't get disheartened because the bars in Germany are very cool. So we got rejected from 3 clubs, and after that we went to this bar and it turned out to be the best decision. We had so much fun. We had the best beer and the music was great. We met so many new people. Totally, the vibe was amazing.
I'm from India. Okay, we are from France. Oh, I'm Marius. Hey.
So having a great time?
Yeah, I'm having a great time. I was playing the.
Now talking about the German food, it is really great. So there are many stalls from where you can just go and grab a quick meal. One of my favorite is currywurst, and then there is the doner kebabs. All over Berlin you will find some small stalls where sitting arrangements are made outside the store, and there you can sit and enjoy your food, and they taste really good. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.